I hope you have opened page 17. Let's see what is given here. Have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? Now see, this 40 kilometers is a very long distance. Okay, marathon races are those races where you have to cover long distances, and some people do it for some cause too. Okay, people run marathon on roads because the track of stadium is only 400 meters long. Now what is asked? 10 rounds of stadium track is equal to how much kilometer you have to calculate. Now already in the question it is given that one round is equal to how much? It is equal to 400 meters. It is given here in the question. If you see here that the track of stadium is only 400 meters, so you know that one round is equal to 400 meter. So you have to find for 10 rounds. So let's see for 10 round. Children, for 10 round, do you think the the distance will be more or less? It will be more. More means you will, to find more, you will multiply this 400 meter by 10. So when we multiply this by 10, we get our answer as 4000 meter. Okay, but we have to find our answer in kilometer. So we have already done the conversion of units of length. So we are going to convert meter into kilometer. That means a smaller unit to a bigger unit means you have to divide it, and you know to divide by the relation. It has the relation of 1000, so we can cancel these zeros and get our answer as 4 kilometer. Either you can show this and do it, or you can do it mentally and directly get the answer as 4 kilometer. So what is your first answer is 4. First answer is 4 kilometer. So 10 round is equal to 4 kilometer. Let's see what is asked next. So if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash rounds. So suppose you want to do your marathon in the stadium only, so how much rounds is required? That is asked. To find it, let's see what all is given. Okay, first here it is given distance of marathon race. Okay, here this 40 kilometers, this is the distance of marathon race, isn't it? So the distance of marathon race is given here as 40 kilometer. Okay, can we convert this 40 kilometer into meter? When we want to convert it 40 kilometer into meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So when we multiply it by 1000, we get our answer as 40,000 meter. And we already know from here what is this 400 meter. We already know that one round is equal to 400 meter. Okay, so simply to find number of rounds, what we have to do? We have to divide the total distance which has to be covered by the distance covered in one round. Distance of one round. Okay, both the things we know. Total distance is this much, that is 40,000, divided by distance covered in one round is this much, 400. So we can cancel these zeros, and what are we left with? We are left with 400 divided by 4. When you divide 400 by 4, you get your answer as 100. So how many rounds is required? 100 rounds is required. Okay. Let's see next question now. Long jump. This is the long jump for boys. What do you understand by long jump means? Is something when you jump, how far or how long you can jump. Okay. So here it is said Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, so that means Dhanu has the longest, means Dhanu is first. And how much is his jump? How long is his jump? 3 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, Gurjeet is second. So who came second was Gurjeet. He came second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's. His jump is 20 centimeter less than, means you have to minus from Dhanu's 20 centimeter, then you can get how much is Gurjeet's. How long is Gurjeet's jump. So when we are subtracting, you have already done subtraction of lengths. We are going to arrange it into different lengths, different columns of lengths, and then we are going to subtract. So this is in centimeter, and here for there's no meter. So let's subtract centimeter first. 40 minus 20, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2. This much centimeter, and for meter it remains 3. Here there is nothing, that means there is 0 meter. So 3 minus 0 is 3 meter. So how much is Gurjeet's jump? Gurjeet's jump is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Okay, next what is given? Gopi comes third. So who came third is Gopi. Gopi came third, and his jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjeet's jump. So this is Gurjeet's jumps, isn't it? So less than again means minus by how much? 5 centimeter, only 5 centimeter less than Gurjeet. So let's subtract from here. Let me remove this line from here so that you don't get confused. Okay, so from 3 meter 20 centimeter, again I am going to subtract 5 centimeter. So centimeter minus from centimeter itself, 20 minus 5 will be 15 centimeter, and meter is 3 meter only. Okay, so Gopi came third, and how much long was his jump? 3 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, so less than. Okay, what is the first question? How long are Gurjeet's and Gopi's jump? So Gurjeet, this is Gurjeet's jump. This is the answer for Gurjeet's jump, and this one is the answer for Gopi's jump. Okay, let's see. Next, try and see how far you can jump. This you can do whenever you are playing on the ground and you have an elder with you and you have a tape to measure. You can jump and see how far you can jump, how far can you throw a ball, how much meters you can throw a ball, look for a big ball like a football or volleyball, how far can you kick it. All this you can measure whenever you are playing. Okay, recap of today's class. To find double of length means to multiply by 2, and to find half of length means to divide by 2, and application in real life. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you so much, children.